Customer Apps widget is a widget you can put on your website that embeds your customer apps. You can see it by clicking your name and preview Customer Apps. This shows a sample website with the embedded Customer Apps widget, which contains the different customer apps such as Messenger, Portal, Submit, and Knowledge Base. I've configured the look and feel of mine. I'm going to show you how to do that. Go back to your OneDesk account and under Administration, click Customer Apps. Here you can see the list of customer apps and their order in the widget. So you can rename them, you can turn them off if you don't want them, and you can drag and drop to change their order. You can also decide to use a company logo. Select that and add your company logo. To upload a company logo, just go to Company Preferences here, and you can upload your logo, which will be used across the applications. It is highly recommended to do it because that simple thing will customize a lot of options in OneDesk. You can customize how it appears when the customer visits your page. Do they get just the small bubble, which is this, or do they get the big bubble, which also includes some text? You want to change the text, just change it here. You can also have an avatar instead of the bubble icon. To do that, just click here and choose whose avatar you want to use. There, doesn't that look a bit more friendly? If you'd like to modify the colors of it, you can modify them here. These colors will modify the widget and all the embedded customer apps. So you only have to do this once, and all of them will match in a theme. If you'd like to customize the language, you can do that here. By default, we have it set to English, but if you choose Custom Language, this will allow you to download a language template, and you can change the words inside to exactly what you want. So even if you wish to remain in English, you may want to change the terminology used, and you can do that here. Once you've downloaded it, modify it in a text editor, and then reattach the custom file here. As long as it's set on custom language, we'll use your file instead of the default English. If you'd like to permit customers to register themselves to use the customer app, just check this box here. And finally, to put the customer apps on your website, you can do that by following the instructions here and clicking the Generate Snippet will provide you with the snippet to put on the page. You need to add this on your website immediately before the body closing tag, which looks like this. Now for each individual app, there's also some options, so check out their individual pages. For the Messenger, for example, there's a welcome page. Here, you can upload a background image. You can see I've done that. You can also choose which avatar to display when online. So you can choose up to 3 different avatars to display in the welcome page. When you're offline, it will use the bot avatar, but this can be customized as well. Just follow this link to do that. You can change the greeting when you're online and when you're offline. And you can change the message that the bot will reply when it receives a message while you are offline. There are lots of options for the portal, for Submit, which is the web form for submitting one or more different types of forms, and for the knowledge base. There are other videos going over these different options. But now, let's take a look at the widget. Let's go back to Customer Apps, click Preview, and once again, it will launch that page where we can preview the customer apps. Here you can see the background image, my logo, my title and subtitle. Here's my welcome, and you can see it's following the colors that I selected all across my different customer apps. Go ahead and play around with this. Decide which customer apps you wish to use, how you'd like to name them, and how you'd like to modify the look and feel. Let us know if you have any questions.